Miss Cicada. The feather too is it softer? Its feather is softer. It's very soft. Is it very soft? I love his wings. Is he going on your camera? Can you touch it? Can you touch his wings? His wings?
Jimmy, you want to touch him?
Yeah. No, he's tickly. Is he Miss Cicada? Cicada. Cicada. Yeah. No! See his wings? His wings are pretty. His wings. Be quiet. It's Cicada. Cicada. Oh, I need to hold it for you, Daddy.
Okay.
Because he's going away. Is he going away from you? Because.
Can pick him up? Can pick him up?
I couldn't. Like that. Can I pick it? I want to pick it.
Okay. Okay, your turn.
My turn?
Go by the wings.
No, I couldn't. Can you pick it, Daddy, for me? For me? Oops. No, I don't want to pick it. Okay, Dad. Okay. Ow!